Hello friends, today I will show you how to take a screenshot on your Windows laptop or PC, quick and easy. Now let's get started. You can capture a specific part of your screen or the whole thing. To start, press Shift plus Windows key plus S on your keyboard all at a time. Your screen will dim slightly. That's your cue that snipping mode is active. Click and hold your mouse, then drag to select the area you want to capture. Once you let go, that screenshot is instantly copied to your clipboard. Want to find your screenshot later? Open File Explorer, click Pictures in the left hand menu, then open the screenshot folder. Click Shot, choose the scanning, and your most recent screenshot will jump straight to the top. No more scrolling to find it. And that's it. Simple, fast, and built right into Windows. If you find this helpful, drop a like and considering subscribing to the channel. Take care.